to expand on an idea by embellishing it with details. So at home, it would be great to create something like an elaboration key. Given the task of draw a picture of your neighborhood playground, you see this is a level 1 example of elaboration, not too many details there. Adding more details for a level 2. You see we've added a picnic bench and some other things, but this is really what you're looking for, a level 3 elaborator here, adding more details to get something more like this, much more detailed than the first example. So to help you help your students at home with elaboration, we've created a Schoolhouse 7 elaboration station with 3 ideas for you to work with your students at home. The first one are sensory details, focusing on asking questions like how does it look, how does it sound, how does it feel, how does it smell, how does it taste. Now yesterday I shared on Schoolhouse 7 a poem that my daughter wrote. We went outside and we looked for images, light, sound, questions, and feelings, a sensory poem, and she wrote a poem about our backyard with things like stone fire pit, tall green pine trees, wind rustling the canopy, sunny day, shiny grill grates. Very great example of elaborating in poetry using sensory details. The next one are sentence expanders. These are like who, what, when, where, why, how. All great questions to ask your students at home to get them to elaborate in their paragraphs and conversations. And finally, we'll go down here to idea systems. Idea systems are journals or notebooks for ideas, keeping your ideas and elaborating on them. You reflect on new ideas. You write, sketch, draw, staple, glue. You decorate the cover and you annotate your explorations. Here's an example from my idea system. I got an idea to create a creativity club a while ago. This is my first brainstorm, and here's the first day. You move more further in my idea system. This was the first day of the club. So my idea came into fruition because I had a great idea system. So there it is. That was Creativity Day 5. Have a great weekend. Keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, be safe.